Now, I just bought a couple of pieces of kit from Helikon-Tex, and with it came these Slik clips. They gave no instructions as to how to flipping heck you actually work these things, but I think I've figured it out. So what you do is you get the clip, you hold it and you grip it that way, and you just release that there. To close it, just click it. So you press both sides of that and just release. To close it, you just click like that. Now what you do is you thread one side of it up through your molly belt on your pack or your accessory. Then you click it shut, and then you release the other side like that, and click it under the belt, the molly web on the belt. So that's the best way I can show you to use the Helikon-Tex Slik clip. So there's your molly webbing on the side of the Foxtrot 2 belt rig. So what you want to do is get the clip there that I've opened, thread it down through there and click, and it's shut. Same with this other side. Find the webbing, slot it down through there. There you go. And click that shut. So that is now attached on the belt rig. Right. So there you've got the clip clipped in at one side. Put it down through the molly webbing like that, and then click shut.